Hey everyone. So I'm going to show off how to use the data tab. The data tab is the landing page that um, you have when you go into the Basejump app. So here, all the data is being presented as tiles. You can see that there's some queries that we've already done. You can also have these in a list view. If you wanted to look at a specific data set, this one is just called Overview of Employee Departments. It shows you the data set, and you can kind of scroll through it, take a look. There's the SQL that was used to generate it, so you can audit the information and just easier to understand where it comes from. You can refresh the data set if it's not current. You can compare it to other data sets. You can copy the link to the data set to send to your colleagues, and you can also download the data set if you want to as well. Okay, so those are some of the options there. You'll see that for a data set, if there's more than one row, it'll be a data set. Otherwise, it'll be a record. So a record just looks a little different, just a single row of data for that one. There's also metrics. And so let's go ahead and create a metric, and we'll save it to our data set right now. So we can go ahead and ask, let's go ahead and start a new chat. And we'll go ahead and let's switch it to the HR demo team. We're part of multiple teams. So you can see we already have a little bit of chatting that we've done, but we'll go ahead and we'll ask it how many employees there are again. Let's see, how many employees are there? Okay. Okay, so it's got the query, it's running it. Okay, so there's 40 employees, so this is a metric, it's just a single number. We'll go ahead and save this to our data. Save. Okay, now let's go back to the data tab. You'll see that that new piece of information came in, the employee count summary, and then there's 40. So the title and description are auto-generated. So here we can go and we could start a chat from this data point. We could share it with the team. Right now it's private. So let's go ahead and share it. So now everyone who's on the HR demo team now has access to this metric in their data pages as well. So that makes it a lot easier to collaborate on the information that you have. You can go ahead and filter to maybe just see stuff on the HR team. You can also search for a specific piece of information. So if I wanted the count, the information for the count, so there's the employee count summary. We also have a count for employee residential locations. Let's see. You can also do some bulk actions here. You can add these to a collection, which is essentially just grouping pieces of data together and presenting them in a more visually appealing way. It's like our beginner's version of a dashboard where hopefully we're going to improve this to be a lot better in the future. So, and then if you want to fetch latest updates for these data points, you can. You just go ahead and click that. So yeah, that's where the data page is at right now. Of course, we're hoping to improve it even further, make it way more understandable and easy to use. So we're working through those. If you have any points of feedback on how we can improve this, definitely happy to hear those. And yeah, that is the current functionality right now. I hope you liked this small feature highlight, and thank you.